Varshan from Testing Gyan. So if you are in software industry, be it developer or a tester, there is 100% possibility that at some point of time you are going to use VCS. So let's discuss about version control system in this video. Let's understand its types and its benefit. So let's start.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to the lean the family, credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the van, legacies.
So guys, let's understand about VCS or version control system. So what is VCS? So VCS is basically a software designed to record changes within one or more files over time. It allows us to undo or to cancel all the made or pending changes within one or more files. If we are working on a project with many files, VCS enables us to control the whole project, and if necessary, this allows us to revert one or more files to any of the previous version. We can also compare changes to one file between two versions in order to see exactly what has changed in each file, when it was changed, and who made that change. We can also see that why that changes was made. So that was the definition, guys. So if you see in definition, it is mentioned files instead of code. So you know why? Because it is a universal system that can be used for version control of all types of files, be it Microsoft Word file, pictures, Excel files, Visual Studio project, or Eclipse project. So that basic definition is done. Now the question arises, why we need VCS, or why VCS is popular among IT industry. So answer to this question is, most of the IT companies nowadays has global presence. Let's take an example of IT company A. Let's consider a company A that has couple of developers in India while couple of others in the USA. So due to different time zones, it is very difficult for them to collaborate, or even if they send daily updates to each other about their work, there is a chance of miss. Also, there will be piles of email in their inbox. But if they use any VCS, be it Git, SVN, Bazaar, TFS, not only it will improve their effectiveness, but also they will be updated about each other's work which is already completed. Hence there will be a minimum chance of duplicacy. So as you can see, I have mentioned, I have pasted the icons of famous version control systems which are being used in IT industry. So those are Git. Git is obviously the most famous one. Then TFS, SVN, Mercurial, CVS, or Bazaar. Let's understand more about version control system. Let's discuss what is the benefits of version control system. So the version control system is very helpful and beneficial in software development. Developing a software without using version control is unsafe. There is a chance of losing data. It provides backup for uncertainty. Version control system offer a speedy interface to developers. We have already talked about this point. It also allows software teams to preserve efficiency and agility according to the team. Scales up to include more developers in team. So here I have bullet pointed the most benefits of version control system, that is complete change history of the file can be tracked simultaneously working. Developers can collaborate with each other and work simultaneously with each other. Branching and merging, and traceability. So all your changes will be tracked with the help of version control system. So this is about benefits. Now let's discuss about the types of version control system. So there are three major types. One is localized version control system, other one is centralized version control system, and the last one is a distributed version control system. So let's understand about each one of them. Let's discuss about localized version control system first. So a localized version control system is a local database located on your local computer, in which every file change is stored as a patch, and every patch set contains only the changes made to the file since its last version. So there will be multiple patches. In order to see what the file looked like at given moment, it is necessary to add up all the relevant patches to the file in order until that given moment. I hope the definition is clear. So the main problem with this localized version control system is that everything is stored locally. If anything were to happen to your local database, all the patches will be lost. If anything were to happen to single version, all the changes made after that version would be lost. Also, in localized version control system, collaborating with other developers or other team members is very hard or nearly impossible. So let's discuss about centralized version control system now. So a centralized version control system has a single server that contains all the file version. This enables multiple clients simultaneously access the files on the server. So this delimit the limitation of a localized version control system, wherein you cannot collaborate with other developers, but in centralized version control system you can. So this way everyone usually knows what everyone else on the project is doing, and administrator have control over who can do what. So basically this allows for easy collaboration with other developers or other team members. The biggest issue with centralized version control system is that everything is again stored on a centralized server. If anything were to happen to that server, nobody can save their version changes, pull files, or collaborate at all if that server is down, or if something happened to that server. Or if central database become corrupted and backups haven't been kept, then you will lose the entire history of the project except whatever single snapshot people happen to have on their local machines. So the most well-known examples of centralized version control system is TFS, Microsoft Team Foundation Server, and SVN. So I hope now centralized version control system is also clear. Let's discuss about distributed version control system. So distributed revision control system or distributed version control system takes peer-to-peer approach as opposed to the client server approach of centralized system. Rather than a single central repository on which clients synchronize each peer working, here peer means the team member of the code base is bona fide repository. Distributed revision control conducts synchronization by exchanging patches chain set from peer to peer. So with distributed version control systems, clients don't just check out the latest snapshot of the files from the server. They fully mirror the repository, including its full history. Thus, everyone collaborating on project owns a local copy of the whole project. That is, owns their own local database with their own complete history. With this model, if the server becomes unavailable or dies, any of the client repository can send a copy of the project version to any other client or back onto the server when it becomes available. It is enough that one client contains a correct copy, which can then be easily further distributed. So the most famous distributed version control system is Git, which is widely used in today's IT industry. So I hope guys you all know about version control system, its benefit, and what all types of version control systems are available. Do mention in comment section if you have any doubt, and we'll try our best to resolve them. Thank you.